The benchtop thickness planer, replacing the old-fashioned hand planer, becomes essential equipment for any workshop. It can help you plane boards, beams, or planks to a consistent thickness efficiently and quickly. When tackling basic woodworking or other home projects, it is a more compatible choice than other professional planers. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best benchtop thickness planer, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best benchtop thickness planer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. Number 1. FB131H13, planer with helical cutterhead. FB131H13 thickness planer, equipped with a 4-row helical cutterhead and 40 tungsten carbide inserts, produces a smooth tear-free shear cut with minimal noise, and delivers a flawless finish on all types of hardwoods, weathered wood, and engineered wood. Its powerful motor boasts high temperature resistance and a long lifespan, over 200,000 hours. With a raised lower handle, you can control and display the height of the cutter blades to a maximum of 6 inches by rotating it. Number 2. dewalt 735X. dewalt 735X, DW735X, identical to DW735, is one of the best thickness planers that can support the plane in all types of woods without snipe, because of the stainless steel in-feed and out-feed tables. It has an automatic carriage lock to reduce snipe. The 3-blade cutter head design makes the blades last longer and makes replacing them easier. Besides, the 2-speed gearbox allows users to change the feed speed, 96 and 176 cuts per inch. At 96 CPI, the surface is slightly rougher, and the planing speed is twice as quick as 176 CPI, suitable for dimensioning. But at 176 CPI, the surface is smoother and ideal for finishing. Number 3. Wen PL1326. Wen published various models of thickness planers, and Wen PL1326 is the upgraded version of its previous model. It is compatible with both spiral and helical cutter heads, in which the spiral cutter head consists of 26 staggered HSS blades. It can plane boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches at a 26 fpm feed rate. And it can plane a perfect finish to hard and soft woods alike. Equipped with an adjustable dust port, this machine can keep your area clean. Number 4. Craftsman CMEW320. If you consider the price-performance ratio, CMEW320 is your good choice, which is cheaper than most straight knife planers. It can tackle up to 12.25-inch whiteboards. With a dual-blade straight knife cutter head design, the cutter speed is up to 8,000 RPM and can provide 16,000 cuts per minute. The double-edged reversible knives offer a long cutting life. Due to the poly-V cutter head, it can easily handle various types of wood. This machine is ideal for small cabinetry and furniture projects. Number 5. Makita 2012 NB. Makita 2012 NB is an ideal benchtop thickness planer for cabinets, closets, staircases, furniture, and more. Because of disposable double-edged blades, you can change blades faster and more easily. With Makita's exclusive internal lock automated head clamp, it can eliminate snipe for improved planing performance. The most obvious features of this machine are compact and lightweight design, so it's convenient for you to take to the job site. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.